Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Dr. Fariha Kamal, a trauma-informed clinical psychologist. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, बहुत सारी चीजें हम चैनल पे कर रहे हैं. This is something that new we are doing, and we will be doing it from time to time अब से onward इंशाल्लाह. So I just thought कि बहुत formal चीजें की हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ candid करते हैं. And I just thought I'll be throwing a question to you all. One thing that I've been noticing around is a lot of us have somewhere gotten involved into this concept of being entitled. हमें लगता है बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो हमारा राइट है और दूसरे लोग वो नहीं कर रहे हैं. We should be provided with this thing, we should be provided with that thing. My question is, where is this sense of entitlement coming from? And should we really be that entitled? Is it, excuse the कव्वे की आवाज, I am in an outdoor, so that's just how it is this time. So my question to all of you is कि हम rights की जब बात कर रहे होते हैं, what about our responsibilities? Have you thought about it? Because I see a lot of imbalance between the rights and responsibilities. और इसका ताल्लुक शायद किसी एज ग्रुप से नहीं है. Maybe it has more to do with our experiences, more to do with how we have been brought up, more to do with what type of opportunities have been provided to us. But this is a food for thought. कि जब हम राइट्स की बात करते हैं, isn't it कि अगर हम अपने राइट्स को एक पॉइंट से ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज करें तो वो दूसरे के राइट्स को ब्रीच करने लगता है? Don't we, by forgetting our responsibilities, don't we actually do the same to others that we feel is being done to us? अगर हम अपने इस कॉन्सेप्ट में बिल्कुल ठीक हैं कि हमारा राइट ब्रीच हो रहा है, तो should we not ask ourselves this question कि क्या हम दूसरे के राइट को ब्रीच तो नहीं कर रहे? क्या हम उसको वो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं जो वो डिजर्व करता है? So do we think that maybe there needs to be a more balanced approach between rights and responsibilities? And can we say that maybe it's about time कि we stop coming from a place of entitlement and rather we come from a place of ensuring that people around us are also being provided with what is rightfully theirs and not just focus on what's my right. Should we not now move towards a more healthy balance of rights and responsibilities, and as a result ensure that we live in a culture, in a society or a community which is more mentally healthy by ensuring that? Let's think about that. Thank you.